The number one cause of flooded basements and crawl spaces is when your rooftop water gathers along the foundation of the home.
Now, our leaf filter contains all the water. You put your downspout in it, it contains all the water. No splashing, no molding, no mildew, no moss growing on your home. We have all the sizes, the 2x3s, the 3x4s, and the 4-inch rounds in white or black. We have an adapter for 3-inch pipe that will fit all of them.
If you run it underground in an underground buried downspout system, you get the water far away from the structure. If you have a clean out, it's super easy to maintain this line so that you can be reassured that you never have any clogs.
Okay, with fall so near, let's talk about leaves. Leaves, 99% of all clogged downspout lines are because of trees. You got a combination of the leaves, the tree buds, and the tree seeds. So in the fall, we got tree seeds and a lot of leaves. You want a really good leaf filter. Now, what makes a good leaf filter? Two things make a good leaf filter. One that is splash-free and one that is clog-free. And that is a hard thing to find. As a matter of fact, there's not another leaf filter on the market that can make those claims. Splash-free and clog-free.
If you have a gutter adapter vented clean out where you can just stick the garden hose down inside and flush the line out once or twice a year, just for that reassurance, that peace of mind.
The screen is very coarse. You can see that. It's going to let all the water through. It's going to catch all the big organics. That's all you want to do is catch the big organics. Let the little stuff just fall through. The fine screens on the market plug. This is a clog-free design. All the leaves build up right here. The water still runs behind the pile of leaves. It can fill up all the way. You could have leaves up in the downspout. It still will not clog. Water will run through all the leaves.
And this device also collects all the big organic materials like pine cones and leaves and twigs that could end up on your roof. And it'll end up washing down into your underground buried downspout system if you don't have something to catch it.
With fall so near, make sure you have a way to filter out those organics. All the leaf filters that cover your gutter, they're all proven to plug, clog, or ice up your sidewalks or your driveways. This is the only protection that's 100% right here. And it has the largest capacity and holds more leaves than any other leaf filter on the market. All right, everybody. Until that next video.